You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it's normally said as enduring, enduring, a j sound here, not a d sound, enduring. Now in American English, however, yes, there is a d sound, enduring in American English, or enduring in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. It helps me immensely. I appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.